What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview on how to use the Zoho Bookings platform. Zoho Bookings is a great platform that you can use to schedule your appointments with your clients, your leads and so on, and to edit the settings in your calendar. So here what you want to do is go to Zoho Bookings webpage, that's zoho.com/bookings, and you will land on this page right here. So if you scroll down, you can see it's an online scheduler and it offers appointment scheduling and like time management services to manage your appointments, your schedules with your clients and so on. So here you can integrate also with other Zoho apps and other popular apps such as Google, PayPal, Zapier, and amongst others. And here you can see some like reviews, some features like the calendars, team scheduling, update your CRM, and so much more. So here what you want to do is you can get started creating your account or your free trial here. So what you want to do is click on sign up for free, and you can sign up with your name, email, and password, and you can also sign up with Google or LinkedIn. So I'm going to sign up with email, and I'm going to fill in all the details and then click sign up and get back to you. So once you entered your name, your email and password, or if you already signed up with any of the Zoho services, you can sign in to your account here. Here it asks me to use the the authorization application for Zoho. So I don't want to do it right now, so remind me later. And it's loading my dashboard now, and once it loads up, it will get me to my dashboard. So before it does, it will ask me some questions about my business, so my business name, time zone, and currency. It detects that my location is in Egypt, so it automatically chooses the currency in Egyptian pound, and time zone is Cairo. So my business name is How to Simple. That's the name of the YouTube channel. Okay, next. And your availability. So here it asks you to enter your times, your default available times, because it's a booking software or a booking service. That means to know your time, your available times, so that it can help you customize or automate your schedules based on time. So let's say I'm available between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Okay, so 5 p.m. Okay, on Monday through Friday. However, I do not want to work on Friday, so Monday through Thursday. Okay, you can save it, you can continue, or you can leave it as default if you want to and edit it later in settings. So next, the service name, I offer like online meetings. So the duration, the default duration for the meeting, let's say it is 1 hour. Okay, so a 1 hour meeting. Okay, and then create my account. Okay, now I'm ready to take appointments. Here I can copy the booking page link to send it to my client, and I can book a sample appointment here to experience the booking process. So here is my name, my business name, How to Simple. And let's say I offer like business consultation service. And here, once this page loads up, I will show you the process of setting up an appointment. Okay, so this is the appointment scheduling page. So a 1 hour meeting in the time zone of my current time zone at 9 a.m. So let's say I want to start the meeting at like 11 a.m. Okay, the date, let's set it to the 9th of November. Okay, my email myself. Okay, looking good. And let's book the appointment. So here the booking summary, the 1 hour meeting, the 9th of November at 9 a.m. So I can enter here the name, the email, my email, and my contact number. here. Here I am using as a guest, so as a person who is asking for an appointment, or I can sign in or sign up here and click on schedule appointment. So here, let's go back to our main dashboard. Let's close this tab right here. Here there are no appointments because I haven't like booked an appointment. So if I click on add appointment, I'll get the same pop-up menu here. My business, now to simple, select service, a 1 hour meeting, assign staff, so a random or myself. The date is the 3, and select a time, okay, in the afternoon or in the evening. So let's here I have no slots available. Okay, so select customer, I can add new customer, or I can cancel it altogether. So basically what you get in the dashboard, you have here the calendar view, or you can here is the list view, sorry. You can switch to a calendar view to view all your appointments here. Okay, seems something is wrong. You can view a monthly, a weekly, or daily calendar, or only the appointments for today. So today I have no appointments for now. So you can switch to weekly or monthly. Here you have your services. So the 1 hour meeting is the default service. I haven't added a price yet. I haven't determined a price for this like service. So it's a one-on-one meeting. The color is green. Here the buffer time is 0 by default. I can increase it. The visibility is public and active. So the staff, I can view the staff, the service available, the service notifications, and many other settings. So here the staff, I can view my staff. For now, I'm the only one who is available. Here is my profile settings. I can change the general information, the working hours. I can change the working hours from here. I can assign services, view the assigned services. I can view the start booking, the URL, and so much more. So here, the booking page, I have here the link here for my booking to book my service. This is the same like interface that we gone through. So let's book the appointment, okay, as a guest. And once I book the appointment, the details will be shown at the appointments page. So that was like a quick overview of the features of the Zoho booking platform and its different features.